When do we use a Treemap chart? We have our month and job posting count dataset here. Let's select, go to Insert tab, Recommended Charts, All Charts, Treemap. So that's how a Treemap chart looks like. We already have months displayed inside here, and so we don't need these legends. So let's come to plus and remove legends here. Again, I might want to see data labels inside here, these values. So come to data labels, click there, more data labels, and then click value. There you have it. I want them separated using a new line like that. So now satisfied. I can change the title to which month has more job opportunities. Bold it. I can change the color to green like that. Also, these colors are just too many. That's crazy. Come to chart design to change the colors to, let's come to monochromatic, and I am more of a blue guy. Okay, so from this we can see that there are more job opportunities in August, and there are less, or the least amount of jobs are in November. So that's basically how to use the Treemap chart.